my name is Maureen Gillespie. I'm an artist based in the UK. Some time ago I was looking for a specialist in silk in order to reproduce some of the paintings that I do, either abstract or figurative. I searched many companies and eventually found Sino, who are based in China. I found the quality and the service absolutely superb from the go, and I would highly recommend them. My scarves have been much admired by many people, and I'm in the process of developing a website for them now. So I'm just so thrilled. As you can see, this is one of the beautiful scarves. The silk is exceptional quality and feels so wonderful. Hannah is the lady who I've been introduced to, and she has made sure that the delivery and timeliness of everything that I've got has turned up in excellent timing. So thank you once again. Bye bye.